Welcome to our factory, and I'm Daniel, one of the engineers here. Let me show you the key steps behind that perfectly chewy texture everyone loves.
Every day, millions of gummy candies appear on store shelves, but almost no one knows the engineering secrets behind their perfect chew.
Today, we're stepping inside a modern gummy candy factory, and what you're about to see is far more advanced than you think.
From liquid sugar to flawless gummy shapes, this process is a precise dance of heat, timing, and automation.
And it all happens faster than the human eye can track. Let's begin the journey.
Good morning. Please present your bill of lading.
Thank you.
Seal confirmed. You are cleared to proceed.
As the gelatin flows into the vacuum vessel, digital readouts confirm the exact volume and flow rate, underscoring our meticulous control.
The glucose syrup is meticulously raised to an optimal, stable point, ensuring ideal viscosity for the mixing process.
The precise injection of citric acid is crucial for the perfect sweet tart profile.
This critical step guarantees premium quality, as the mixture is guided through our state-of-the-art fine filtration system.
A marvel of modern engineering, the multi-channel depositor precisely fills molds with strawberry red and lime green simultaneously.
A controlled stream of warm, dry air gently tumbles the fine white powder, meticulously removing any residual moisture. A powerful system circulates warm, dry air uniformly over every single gummy.
Emerging from the warm drying chamber, the perfectly dehydrated gummies travel along a specialized cooling conveyor.
The system ensures the water activity remains perfectly stabilized, preventing moisture migration and guaranteeing a longer shelf life.
The cooling conveyor is critical. A gentle flow of air hardens the coating, locking in the brilliant sheen and ensuring the gummies remain entirely clump-free. With incredible speed and precision, the system applies customized barcodes and QR codes, ensuring total traceability from the factory to the shelf.
Hold it there, a little further back, centralized. That's the optimized position. We are good for the straps.
A little further to the left, aligning with grid C.
Copy that. Looks secure.
Perfect. That maximizes the cubic utilization for this shipment.
With all checks complete and seals verified, the journey begins. A testament to precision and passion.
I love the strawberry ones.
They are the best, aren't they?
From raw ingredients to that perfect bite, every step is carefully engineered. Because when it comes to chewy perfection, nothing is left to chance.
Thanks for visiting the factory with me today. If you enjoyed the tour, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes engineering stories.